What's the plan for today?
Make sure all my framing in here is correct. Start getting the siding back on and set the door framing and stuff.
Cool.
That's the plan.
Finally a day without rain.
Ain't it nice?
I better not say that, it'll start raining.
Well, it's possible. So it's good to be back here working on it again finally.
Yeah, I've about forgot where we was.
Yeah. It has attacked me.
It attacked you? Do you need it up there right now?
Just for a minute. Can you hand me that?
Yeah. So you're not going to pull that top loose?
What top?
The top panel on the front?
I'm not planning on it.
Okay.
I'd rather not have to at this point.
Right.
We're going to have to take it loose here, topple the window back to reseal around it.
Mm-hmm.
Keep that coming down and stuff. I know a little bit of water has leaked in there.
Okay. Alea's in the house howling.
Of course she is. When doesn't she?
When we go to town today, we should get whatever plumbing supplies you need so you can do that.
Yep.
Well, it's accessible.
See how that pulls in? That'll pull our piece in here where we want it.
Okay.
Kind of doty, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. I know you don't want to, but we might as well do it right while we're doing it.
You're right. You're right.
Then we'll never have to do it again. What do you think?
Yep. I think you're right. Yep.
So now,
Definitely too soft. But we're gonna have to correct that.
yep.
Oh well.
Okay, what has the plan changed to?
Okay, we decided we're gonna have to pull this front loose, and I don't want to get into that right at the moment, so I'm gonna concentrate on getting this equaled out and getting this metal on and the door in.
Cool. Because we're going to have to place a lot more wood up there, right?
A lot more? Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Well, I don't know how much. I mean, let's wait and see. Okay. I'll cut me 2 slivers like that and tack on here. Good to go. Yeah. A little more like that and good to go.
Okay, so where our stove's got some rust on it, we have Rust-Oleum appliance epoxy. So Gary's going to spray that on there before we close up the side. Hopefully keep it from rusting more. Reckon I need to move the vehicle?
Nah, we'll go ahead and let it do shit.
Nice.
Yeah. That'll work.
Is there any behind the propane line?
Well, probably. I really don't like it resting right against that.
Well, maybe when you check it out, you can just move it then.
Bend it gently. There we go. Yeah, I don't want it touching that because it'll rub as it's going along.
Yep. You may just have to rerun it.
Might have to.
Now the sun's coming. We've left the rain behind and we're back to the oppressive heat. Yeah, we probably should have thought about painting it. You're going to be working there.
Yeah, I didn't think about it either. I was just thinking more about the other stuff.
Maybe you could do some other area, like the door or something, until you get that dry.
What do you mean?
Well, until the paint dries, so you know,
Oh, yeah.
since it's kind of rubbing it off.
Yeah.
See right here where it rubbed it off?
Oh, yeah.
And right there,
Okay.
and right there.
Okay. I'll take it back up and we'll let that go for a while. I don't know how long this stuff takes to dry. We should read on it.
And there's some rubbed off right back there.
Ooh, liquid filled. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, mineral oil.
I got that on Amazon as well.
Mm-hmm. Which is good because we won't be able to see it from this way. Okay, so we'll need a 3/8 to whatever that is. Connector, and this side here will be same thing. And we'll take it with us to make sure we get the right fitting.
Good.
This in here can be soldered or either one, but I don't want to solder it. Yeah, it's nice. I have to see what kind of hookups I got because this uses a water line,
Mm-hmm.
like a water hose. Now we can. Think. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this loose,
Mm-hmm.
pull that out, and that way we can see what all we got.